Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Data Engineering. Today we will learn how to create a query while copying source data to target system. In our earlier examples we copied source table, that is customer data, from source system to target system. Here we copied data which is present everything in a table to target system. So instead of copying all the table data, we want to copy only particular customer to the target system. At that particular time, what we have to do, we have to select a query at source side. Let me show you that. Go back to first pipeline. This is my customer pipeline. Close all other tabs. Here we have selected customer source as table. Instead of that, we can select this query option. Here I will mention a query which I want to extract from source and copy to target database. So let me go and see this customer data. Here we have customer ID, for example, where customer ID equal to 1. I want to copy only this particular customer ID 1 data. So use this query in pipeline where customer ID equal to 1. This will pick customer ID 1 data and copy it to the sync system, that is target system. If I click on debug, let's go back to the container and see. Okay, let's wait for this. Okay, this is completed. Go back to the container, landing container, go back to the customer folder. Here we can see customer.txt. This is contains full data, and if I go back to this file, it contains only one customer ID. Only one customer data we can see in this file. So like this way you can mention a query in pipeline. That's it guys, thank you.